Hello, this is Lyle Alexander, and today I would like to share with you the People Helping People Worldwide global crowdfunding, crowd sharing opportunity where you can take a one-time cost, a one-time purchase of $50 and participate in this global crowdfunding, crowd sharing opportunity. As you will see over here, we're raising funds not only for and here we're raising funds not only for ourselves, but raising funds for the donation to a charity of your choice, whether that be a globally known charity like Shriners Hospital or St. Jude's, Food for the Poor, World Vision, Red Cross, Habitat for Humanity, or so many more. Or if it's your local church or local charity, maybe you're on the board of a charity. But I want to share this with you and give you a vision of helping, possibly helping local churches uh, pay for projects that they have. Here's how it works. For your one-time $50 product cost, you'll be placed into a progressive step-up matrix. And in this, so you'd go in and let's say that you see the vision of this and you bring some people on board with you. Let's say that you bring in 3 people with you. And what this represents is that if you have 3 people that each put in their one-time $50 cost to participate in this global crowd sharing opportunity, then you'd get a commission of $40. You'd have an automatic product upgrade of $50 to go into the second tier. And then there's no donation to the charity of your choice on these 2 different tiers here. And what this represents here would be a team of 12, so 3 and 9, with a team of 12. So that would be 3 and 9 and 2781. So a team of 12 with a team of 12. You'd get a commission of $200 personally. You'd be automatically put into the third tier for $200, and of course, there's not a donation there to the charity. Now here, this is where it gets really interesting. This is actually a team of 39 with a team of 39, and that's basically just everybody getting 3 people. You'd get a commission of $4,000 personally. You'd be automatically put into the 4th tier for $1,000, and then $200 would go to a charity of your choice. And so on tier 4, this would be 3 getting 3, getting 3, getting 3 for that's 4 levels with a team that has done the same thing. And you'd get a commission of $70,000, be an automatic $5,000 upgrade to the $1 million level, and $4,000 would go to a charity of your choice. And so the same goes with tier 5, to where you get $1 million with a full one. You're paid along the way, and then there's no product upgrade here because you're at the top, and $60,000 would go to a charity of your choice. Let me give you a vision of something here. Let's say that you are on the board of a local charity, or maybe you're on the board at your church, or maybe you're a pastor, and maybe you are one of the elders of a church, and you have maybe $200,000 on a building project. Maybe you owe $200,000 on a building project. Well, let's look at this for an example, and let's say that you go out and you get 100 people, not from your own efforts, but this can come from other people that your people know, and even people that you don't know, and I'll explain that in a minute. But let's say that you did this, and you had 100 people that wanted to give money to the charity that you choose, whether that be a local charity or your church. In this case, 100 people at this level 100 people would give your organization $20,000 to your organization. At this level, 100 people, that would mean $400,000 for your organization. You remember, like I said, if you're a church and you have a $200,000 bill on your building, that would wipe it out and give you extra funds to help others in the community. And what would 100 people at this level? 100 people at this level, that would give you $6 million for your charity, your church, or whatever. So I just want to give you the vision of that, and to think about that. And remember, this all comes from a one-time $50 product cost. Now here's where it gets really interesting. This organization as a whole has a great vision to help people around the world, and so they have created a mirror image of this system to put people in a holding pattern to bring them into the place where they're paid. And so they are loading 300,000 to 500,000 people at a time, and then level by level telling people, hey, this is how many people we've already got loaded over here. We can get them to follow you. If you want to go into the paying matrix, you go to this link and pay the $50 and get started. So 300,000 to 500,000 people at a time will be loaded into that, brought over into this, and help the organization grow. Now, you shouldn't ever rely on that being that those are coming in. You should go out and help your own organization build a team. And so from there, this company owns another, they have another division of their company, and they're going to roll everybody into 3 more streams of income to bring these kinds of monies to people as we roll everybody through. So anyone just wanted to give you this information today. Look in the description below or the comments below and look for a link. Click on the link, get more details. Get started right now with me with a $50 one-time product cost, and get in touch. I'll be in touch, but you get in touch with me too. I'll be glad to talk to any organization. Whether that's personally or on a webinar or conference call. So let's help bless our brothers and sisters and in their project needs, and to help everyone get the money that they need for their life and money that they need for their charity project. All right, well, God bless you, and we'll talk to you soon. Give me a call, contact me. Bye.